We're joined now by Michael Markowski over the phone. Michael Markowski is the founder of a company called Dynasty Wealth. He's also listed by Fortune magazine as one of the top 50 investors in the country. Michael, always good to talk to you.
Great to speak to you, Don.
Now you've been saying a few things about you're concerned about big cap companies in the coming months, and you've been basically recommending to people that you have influence with to get part of their portfolio in the small cap companies. Tell us about that.
Well, what's happened is the bull market, based upon my indicators that I track, and I've been in the business for 40 years, the global bull market is over. And when these stocks start coming down, which is, there's my indicators, negative rates are causing, they're going to cause a catastrophe, these negative interest rates. So what's going to happen is when the market comes down, where the money's going to go is into those small companies that never got any exposure during the past market. So all the low-priced stocks, the liquidity will start pumping into them. So I think that right now we're in the best period that for people to start buying these low-priced stocks. They should be buying them now because they've been in their own bear market for years.
Now, of course, here on this program, we concentrate almost entirely on just those kinds of companies. Have you seen companies that we've been profiling that you like?
Yeah, in fact, there's one that I saw that I've been doing some research. I found some very interesting companies on your previous shows. There's one called the Green Polka Dot, which I thought was very fascinating. They have and I looked at their business model. I think they have huge upside with their business model. They're an online seller of organic foods and stuff like this, and I think they're I like their business model. I put a call into the CEO. He has not returned my call. And I've looked at their price chart, their stock price chart. And, this stock, again, I haven't done my serious due diligence on this yet, but at first blush, looks to me like the stock should be accumulated. The stock is sitting at sitting down around 25, 30 cents a share. It's sitting down here. It's low. It's low for the last several years right now. So I think the stock, it's an interesting speculation right now without me even doing my due diligence at this price level. And based upon what I've seen that the company's put out there, looks like a very interesting company.
Well, Michael, now you're basically advising the people you have influence with to get into small cap companies, as we've talked about, because you're basically feeling there's more upside with them than, for example, IBM.
Well, the key is, Don, is I'm only interested. I've been in the market for 40 years, and I can tell you unequivocally that where you make all the money is in those stocks that are not currently trading a lot of volume. You're not going to I'm interested in things where you can make double, triple, quadruple. If it can't double in less than a year or two, I'm not interested in it. Okay, it has to have that ability, and IBM's never going to double in a year or two. It probably won't double in our lifetimes, for the rest of our lives.
Once again, Michael is the founder of a company called Dynasty Wealth. You can get more information about his company and what Michael is predicting at dynastywealth.com. Michael, thanks so much.
Okay, thanks, Don. Bye-bye.
Take care.